Alright guys, today we're going to do another taste testing video featuring my expert panelist of taste testers. We have Little Miss Prepper, formerly known as Baby Prepper. You have my assistant Kid Prepper. We also have our very special guest back on popular demand. We have burnt potato chips and 2-pound toothpick. Today we're going to be testing out some MREs. I think this is going to be the first time a lot of them have had MREs.
I've had
and you've had some before?
Yes.
And we're going to be doing the Chili Mac MRE. So in the last video that burnt potato chip and 2-pound toothpick were featured in, it was for Legacy Food Storage, and they all wanted to try the Chili Mac, and I don't think I ever actually gave it to them. Let's go look back at that footage really quick. We have Chili Mac. Chili Mac. We have enchilada, beans, and rice. So which ones sound the best out of there?
Chili Mac. Chili Mac.
This one. Classic Chili Mac.
Chili Mac and Chili Mix. Enchilada.
Let's do one chili. Let's do the classic chili mix. You want to do the enchilada, beans, and rice?
Yeah.
I'd like to try the stroganoff.
Yeah, let's try this.
And let's do, I don't know, maybe the pasta primavera. So as you saw, I totally denied them of their Chili Mac. So now they're going to get Chili Mac for real. This one's going to be MRE Chili Mac. So we're going to open these up. We're going to heat them up. Should we heat them or eat them cold?
Eat them cold.
You want to try eating? We'll try eating them cold and hot. And we'll see what the kids think of MREs. So let's get started with this video now featuring Chili Mac.
Chili Mac.
So let's see what we have here.
Chili Mac.
Show your Chili Mac.
We got Chili Mac.
Good. Let's see what we have here. Oops.
Oh. Warfighter tested. Warfighter approved. I hear something. I want to read it. It's in.
All right, guys, let's open up the MREs now so we can get inside of it. I guess that's one way of opening it.
How did the Artman open these? Oh, they probably use knives.
I think they probably use knives.
Oh, it's a peelable seal. So I didn't peel this.
It says peelable.
All right, let's open them up and see what's inside.
Ooh, some heating pads. Some food. Heating pads. Some directions.
Oh, there's a wrapper and a wrapper.
Oh.
Open it.
Oh, you having trouble? Oh, that looks like a carrot pound cake. That sounds good, huh?
So they all different.
They should be fairly similar, though.
What does this say?
Let me read those. Oh, toffee rolls.
Oh, candy toffee rolls.
Wait, this is the beverage powder. We need cups.
Nice.
This? I'll get cups. I'll open the rest.
Ooh, this is my dessert.
It's
Vanilla pound cake.
Awesome.
Lemon lime.
Where's the Chili Mac?
Guess these are my seasonings. Or my, what? Ooh, I have some matches.
Ooh, vegetable
These are
crackers.
seasonings.
I got this.
Vegetable.
Cool.
This is Tootsie Rolls.
Wait, what? Let me see.
I want to see Tootsie Rolls. Each package is something
Awesome.
different.
Look at all this
Cheese
stuff.
spread with
jalapenos.
Oh, that's what it says.
All right, so we have the MREs all spread out here on the table. It's kind of mixed and matched, but we're gonna start heating up some of the Chili Macs. We'll try to have some of it cold too, and then we're just gonna open up all the packages and let the kids, you wanna just try that one? Okay. We're gonna see what the kids think of the MREs. Let's open them up.
Okay.
All right, they're starting off with the candy. What do you think of your
Mint.
mint? Okay.
But it's like a hot tamale. Is it like one of those pepper ones?
This is
Like a hot tamale.
All right, guys, so these are the heaters. You add a little bit of water in the overfill line here. Sensible Prepper has a really good video on how to do these, so I'll put a link in the description box. But we're just going to put some water in here. Then we put the item in and let it sit for a little bit, and it's going to heat up.
Oh, look, I got.
You got it?
These are matches.
Okay, so let me get this.
Can I open all of these?
So you put that in there like this. Have you guys ever done this?
These are matches.
I just get this open. This is, look.
Oh, these are waterproof matches.
What's this? Something about
So here's some vegetable crackers. You want to try that?
Yeah.
No.
They're really hard.
Looks like hardtack. Do you know what hardtack is?
Yes, we
Yeah.
made some at summer camp.
What's hardtack?
Dude, the parachute, there's no flour.
Yeah, like when they used to sail, they would make just flour and water.
Yeah, at least I had
still have
brown
Try
today.
this? Yeah, a little bit.
They're okay, but I'm just trying. Parrots I know parrots are crazy because they're drunk. Parrots are crazy because they're drunk.
Now to try a Tootsie. That's pound cake.
Pancake.
You try the pound cake?
Yeah.
Look at what this.
Oh, God. Here's
Little Miss
jalapeno.
Prepper, look, that's this. You
Here
want
you
me to
go.
open it for you?
Lemon pound cake right there.
This is jalapeno.
Ooh, I want to try some.
Okay.
Do you guys want to try cold chili mac?
Sure.
Can I get some water first?
How about this?
So for this video, we're not going to do the drinks because they take about 30 minutes to do, and we're starting to run out of time. It's late, and it's a school night. Let's try some cold chili mac. You ready to open it up?
Yes, I need to open my.
Where's my chili?
There it is. Everyone grab a fork.
Can I grab my spoon right here?
Sure. The MREs come with spoons, so you can do that. Here's a little chili mac for you. Gonna try it out. You want to use a cracker with it? Here you go, for potato chip. Let's see what you think.
Is
You
it
have to sit down.
how's your jalapeno? Is it supposed to be dry?
Okay, here we go. Burnt potato chip trying cold chili mac. 2-pound toothpicks. Gonna give it a shot.
Tastes
Pepper.
good. It's not that hot.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
A little bit of pepper. You want to try it?
Tastes like spaghetti, but
I like this. Dad, I like this.
pretty good.
Chili mac's really good.
Let's try some of this on it.
That's pretty good, huh?
I like this, Daddy.
No,
You like the lemon pound cake?
let's try the cracker.
Try it with the cracker.
Daddy, it's Daddy.
What else is there?
It's like pie? Nice. What's this?
This is a circle.
Oh, candied Tootsie Rolls. Toffee rolls.
Can we have
But
one?
they are Tootsie
I
Rolls.
want to
You guys all like the sweets better, huh?
I'm gonna try a sweet.
I can show all
No.
my friends.
You gonna show all your friends? Oh, more Tootsie Rolls.
Look, I have.
Wow, awesome.
Guys,
I'll
look,
try my
I
beef stick.
have.
Try beef stick?
Oh yeah, good idea.
We all have a beef stick, and that's what we're gonna
Let's
try.
open.
Oh, what's it? So what is this?
Oh, jalapeno cheese spread.
Jalapeno
on a
cheese spread.
vegetable counter.
This is the bomb.
Nice.
This is good.
Beef sticks are good?
Yeah. Try it.
They look good.
They're excellent.
Oh yeah. That's really, the jalapeno cheese spread's awesome.
We should
I
have
just
these when we
You
go.
guys want to have this for your lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are.
Okay, be careful with the scissors. Let me hear. I'll do it for you.
I do it all by myself.
Yeah, you're doing really good, but for safety, we're gonna have you do. There you go. That was good. Scissors etiquette you did there.
I want this for lunch. Yeah.
Okay, it's official. Kid Prepper wants MREs for lunch now. Do you want MRE for lunch? You do. You want
They're
MRE for
good.
lunch?
Yeah, they're good.
It'd be a good lunch.
What's that? I mean, hey,
MRE junk food tastes
Wait,
really good.
wherever you want to buy. Hey, wherever you want to buy.
There we go.
We should get this instead of beef jerky.
Mm-hmm.
And here's some best thing ever.
What are your thoughts so far of the MREs?
The beef stick is the best.
Beef stick is the
The
best.
chili mac is second best.
Cool.
And the cracker is dry.
A little dry.
But the jalapeno sauce goes good with it.
It does go really good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I want this in my lunch. I also want the chili mac in my lunch.
Chili mac
These
is good.
are the bomb.
Yeah, of course Tootsie Rolls are awesome. What do you think?
It's awesome because they come with matches
It does come with matches.
that are waterproof. Comes on the pound
And you
cake.
like the pound cake?
Yes, and this is very, very good.
The jalapeno cheese spread? I think that's awesome.
Who the heck has the scissors?
What do you think?
It's let's take chocolate.
You like the chocolate? Okay.
Who has the scissors?
See, we made a little bit of a mess over here. We have some heating over here.
Ooh, you're hitting it?
What do you think of the cracker?
I haven't.
For the hard tack.
Should I try
I think you should try it.
I'm scared.
Try a big bite with jalapeno. Kid Prepper goes good with it.
All right, Kid Prepper's going to try the hard tack,
With-
aka cracker, with jalapeno cheese spread.
I'm scared. Moment of truth.
Okay. So,
What do you think?
Didn't taste it yet.
You didn't really put a lot of jalapeno cheese spread on it. You should put
I
more.
don't like spicy stuff.
It's not spicy.
It has a little bit of an aftertaste.
Okay, Little Miss Prepper's trying the lemon pound cake. What do you think?
That's carrot.
Oh, that's carrot cake?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
2-pound toothpicks is vanilla.
Let's try that one. What do you think of that one?
Yeah. Really good.
It's really good. And what do you have over here? Burnt potato chip.
It's a spice pound cake.
Okay, spiced pound cake.
Guys, I can show you some.
Oh, you like the gum candy. Oh, this is hot. You feel that?
Oh, that is hot.
You feel that? Yeah, it's piping.
Nice and toasty.
All right, guys, so as you saw, the kids loved the Chili Mac MREs. I think they're a fan of basically everything that was included in it, mostly the Tootsie Rolls, but you also liked the crackers when it had the cheese spread on it. Everyone liked the cakes that were included with it. We all liked the Chili Mac, even when it was cold. It was really good. We didn't try the juice, but we could try that maybe in a future video. And was there anything else that really stood out?
The gum.
The gum. They also like the gum.
Really?
So they all said they want it in their school lunches. So I think we might have to take them up on that offer.
You forgot the teriyaki beef.
Oh, the beef sticks are their favorite.
Yeah, those were tasty.
Those are really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of kids eating MREs. They all loved it. At least at least the Chili Mac one. So leave your comments below in the comment section regarding this video. Again, special thanks to our expert taste testers, Burnt Potato Chip, 2-Pound Toothpick, Little Miss Prepper, and Kid Prepper. Leave your comments below in the comment section and stay tuned for more videos. See you guys next time. Say bye.